you are doing good and safe at home. Welcome back to our English class. Let's start our English class with, yes, as usual, with a word of the day. Okay? Word of the day. What word we are going to learn today? Do you have any guess? See, usually we use this word often. Okay. Can you guess? No. Shall I introduce? Yes. Today we are going to learn a new word, that is fatigue. Fatigue. Can you say once? Fatigue. Okay? Fatigue. Fatigue. Okay? Can anyone say this meaning? What is the meaning of fatigue? Do you know? No idea. Tiredness. Okay? Fatigue means tiredness. Okay? Tiredness. I'm tired. I can't do my homework. I'm tired. Are you using this? Yes, right? Okay. For that, instead of tired, we can use this word. Fatigue. Okay? I'm fatigued. I'm feeling tired or tiredness. Okay? Fatigue means tiredness. Have you got it? Okay. Yeah, students, write 5 sentences by your own by using this word, fatigue. Okay, you have to write 5 sentences using this word. Okay, can you write? Yes. Okay, let's jump into our lesson. In our previous classes, we have learned about antonyms and countable and uncountable noun. Do you remember that? Yes, I have given you some exercises also. Have you all done that? Only few students have sent their answers to me. Other students I didn't get till now. Please do your homework and send it properly. Okay? Okay. See, today we are going to learn a new topic, that is quantifiers. Quantifiers. What do you mean by quantifiers? Have you heard this word before that? No. Okay. Quantifiers. Quantifiers are tell us about the quantity of the nouns. Okay. The name or the word, it has the meaning. Okay. It tells us about the quantity of the nouns. Okay. It tells us about the quantity of the nouns. Quantity of the nouns. Okay. For example, you know about nouns, right? What do you mean by noun? Noun is a naming word, right? You know countable noun, uncountable noun, then proper, common, collective, right? Yes. See, quantifiers tells us about the quantity of the nouns. Okay, for example, chocolate. This is a noun, right? How many chocolates do you have? I have many chocolates. Okay, I used the word many here. I have many chocolates. I have some chocolates. Okay, I have some chocolates. I have given all my chocolates to my friend. Okay, see, I have used some sentences here, but I have noted some words here. Have you seen that? Many, some, and all. Have you seen these words? Yes. These are quantifiers. Okay? These words are quantifiers because these words are used to quantify, or it shows the quantity of the nouns. Okay? Here I have used the noun chocolate. Okay? How many chocolates do you have? I have many chocolates. How many chocolates do you have? I have some chocolates. Okay, I have given all my chocolates to my friend. Here, many, some and all. These are the words are called as quantifiers. Have you got it? Clear now? What are quantifiers? Quantifiers tells us about the quantity of the nouns. How many or how much. Okay, these quantifiers answer the questions how much and how many. Okay, if we ask the question how much or how many, that answer is quantifiers. Okay, how many chocolates do you have? I have some chocolates. So the answer some. This is called quantifiers. Did you understand? Do you have any clarification? No. Clear? Okay. Let's move on to some examples. Okay. Let's learn some examples. Then you will get some more idea about quantifiers. Okay? Yes. Look at these sentences. First one. He sent all the food in the boats. Okay. Then many people travel to Kerala every year to see this event. Okay? Then there are around 25 singers in a row in the middle of the boat. Okay? Have you read these sentences? Once all of you read these sentences. He sent all the food in boats. Many people travel to Kerala every year to see this event. There are around 25 singers in a row in the middle of the boat. Okay. See, have you read these lines before that? Anywhere? Yes. From our lesson, right? Yes, the snake boat races of Kerala. Okay, these three sentences we have taken from that lesson. Okay, see here he sent all. Okay, I'm going to circle this word. Okay, all. Then many people. Here I'm going to circle this word, many. Okay, then there are around 25. Okay, why did I circle these words? Do you know? What are these words? Yes, very good. These words are quantifiers, right? All, many and 25. Why these words are called quantifiers? Yes, because these words show the quantity of the noun, right? Look at this sentence. He sent all the food in boats. How much food? What is the answer? All food. Okay, if we ask the question how much or how many, that answers are considered as quantifiers. Okay, how many or how much, the quantity of the noun. Okay, he sent all the food in boats. How much food? All. So this is called quantifier. Okay, all is considered as a quantifier. Have you got it? Okay, then next one. Many people travel to Kerala every year to see this event. Which event? Do you remember? Yes, snake boat races. Okay. Many people travel to Kerala every year to see this event. How many people? Many people. Okay, so which is the quantifier here? Many. Have you got it? Many is considered as quantifier. How many? Okay, the answer is quantifier. Many. Okay, then let's move on to third one. There are around 25 singers in a row in the boat. Okay, how many singers are in the middle of the boat? Yes, around 25. How many? 25. Okay, so this is called quantifiers. Now, did you get idea about quantifiers? Yes? Okay. All, many, then 25. Okay, quantifiers tells us about the quantity of the nouns. Okay, if we ask the question how many or how much, that answers are called as quantifiers. Okay, have you got it? Do you have any clarification? No. Okay, let's learn some more about quantifiers. Okay, are you ready? Yes. These quantifiers are used with both countable noun and uncountable noun. Okay, these quantifiers are used with both, okay, countable and uncountable noun. Okay, countable and uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Okay, countable noun and uncountable noun. For both we can use quantifiers. Okay, but one more thing, which quantifiers we have to use for countable and uncountable, we have some list. We have some list of quantifiers to use countable noun and uncountable noun. Let us learn that words. Okay, let us learn that quantifiers. Okay, yes, let's learn some list of quantifiers which we have to use for countable, uncountable and both. Both means countable noun and uncountable noun. Okay, first one, which are the quantifiers we should use only for countable noun? First, do you know about countable and uncountable noun? What do you mean by countable noun? Yes, a noun which we can count, that is called countable noun. For example, pencil, apple, then chocolate. Okay, then uncountable noun, we cannot count that exact amount, right? For example, rice, milk, furniture. We have learned those things in our previous classes. Do you remember? Yes. Okay, then both means countable and uncountable noun. Okay, for that we have some quantifiers. Okay, first one, countable noun. For countable noun, we should use these quantifiers alone. Okay, many. Okay, many. I have many chocolates. Chocolate, countable noun, right? So we should use this word. Okay, many. I have many chocolate. Okay, then a few. I have a few chocolates in my hand. I have given a few chocolates to my friend. Okay, so few. Got it? A few. Many, a few. Then a number of. My teacher asked a number of questions to me. A number of. Okay, questions, can you count? Yes. Okay, a number of. Okay, then several. I have several pencils. Okay, I have several pencils. See, several. Got it? Then a large number of. Okay, a large number of. These are the quantifiers we have to use only for countable noun. Okay, what are many, a few, a number of, several, a large number of. Okay, these are the quantifiers we have to use only for countable noun. Have you got it? Okay, then let's move on to uncountable noun. You know very well about uncountable noun. Am I right? Yes. What are uncountable nouns? Nouns which cannot count. That is called uncountable noun. Am I right? Yes. What are the quantifiers we have to use for uncountable noun? Much, a little, a large amount of. Okay? Much. Thank you so much. Here, thanks. Can you count thanks? No. That comes under uncountable noun. noun. So we are using the quantifier much. Okay. I spilled a little amount of milk. Okay. Little amount of milk. Milk is an uncountable noun. Am I right? So this quantifier, a little, we should use only for uncountable noun. Okay. Then a large amount of. A large amount of. These are the quantifiers we should use only for uncountable noun. Have you got it? Then both. For both we can use some quantifiers. What are the quantifiers? Let's learn. All. Okay. I have given all my chocolates to my friend. All. I have given all the rice to my friend. Here rice and chocolate both are different. Rice uncountable noun, then chocolate countable noun. But we used the same quantifier, all. Okay, have you got it? So some countable and uncountable nouns we can use these quantifiers. Okay, all, enough, more, most, less, some, any, a lot of. Okay, I have a lot of chocolate. Chocolate countable noun. I have a lot of furniture in my home. Furniture uncountable noun. So we can use both. Okay, for both we can use these quantifiers. All, enough, more, most, less, some, any, a lot of. Okay, don't read this like a lot of. That is wrong. Read like this. A lot of. Okay, say a lot of. Okay, have you got it? Now did you understand what are quantifiers? Yes, quantifiers tells us about the quantity of nouns, right? Quantifiers answer the questions how many or how much. Okay, if we want to find out the quantifiers, we have to ask two questions. How many or how much? Okay, if we get the answer, that is quantifiers. Okay, then we have learned what are the quantifiers we should use for countable, then uncountable, then for both. Clear? Yes. For countable noun, many, a few, a number of, several, a large number of. Okay, these are the quantifiers we have to use only for countable noun. Then for uncountable noun, much, a little, a large amount of. Okay, then for both countable as well as uncountable noun, we can use these quantifiers. All, enough, more, most, less, some, any, and a lot of. Okay, clear now? Yes. Dear students, in your book page number 37, we have some exercises related to quantifiers. Okay, first one let's do now. Remaining thing you have to do it. Take a snap and send it to me. I will share the answers later. Then you can verify your answers. Okay, first one. The children split dash all and any the milk on the table. Here milk. Milk is a countable noun or uncountable noun? Yes, uncountable noun. Here what are the quantifiers they have given? All and any. Okay, any, is that a quantifier? No. Then all we can use both countable and uncountable we can use, right? So which quantifier we can use here? The children split all the milk on the table, or else the children split any milk on the table. Which is the correct one? Yes, very good. All. Okay, the children split all the milk on the table. Okay, here you can write all. Okay, very clear now? Yes. You have to do the remaining exercises, then take a snap and send it to me. Okay, let's meet in our next class. Bye-bye.